As the larger of the two Suitcase frame generators, the 2200 watt model offers a high power output and larger fuel capacity, all while keeping the noise down, making it perfect for a weekend away at the campground. Powered by a super efficient 105cc motor with a maximum noise output of only 58 decibels at 7 metres, this generator is incredibly quiet. Because every generator in the ToolPRO range uses pure sine-wave technology, you can run your more sensitive electronics, such as laptops, cameras and phones, as well as the usual lighting, personal appliances and smaller power tools that you'd expect. The ToolPRO 2200 watt inverter offers great flexibility in how you use it, with dual 240-volt AC power outlets, a 12-volt DC socket and two 5-volt USB ports. For your safety and the safety of your devices, the generator is equipped with a DC circuit breaker and safety indicator lights, with auto shut-off for low oil and AC power overloads. In the unlikely event that something does go wrong, there are service centres all over Australia and New Zealand, as well as a dedicated hotline for diagnostics that can help you out. And all ToolPRO generators come with a 24-month warranty. If you don't want to compromise on a low noise output, but you need your generator to be able to crank out the power, then the ToolPRO 2200 watt Suitcase frame digital inverter is the perfect choice.